Hey everyone, welcome to my first YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious tiffin recipe of appam and coriander chutney. These South Indian dishes are not only incredibly flavorful but also quite simple to make at home. So first, let us start making the appam. This soft and lacy pancake is a popular breakfast dish in South India. To make appam, you will need suji, curd, salt, a little bit of eno or cooking soda. Now I will walk you through the steps of preparing the batter and cooking the appam until it's perfectly golden brown. For making appam, we will need 1 cup of suji and approximately 3/4 cup of curd. We have to mix it really well until no lumps are found. Add little by little of water to mix it really well and form a smooth batter like consistency. You can also make dosas with this smooth batter. Now we have to keep the batter aside for 15 minutes to rest. After 15 minutes, the batter expands to form a fluffy batter. Alternately, you can also add vegetables like carrot, onions of your choice. Now you have to rest the batter for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't want to rest the batter, you can add eno or cooking soda right away. Now heat up the appam patra and add some oil and let it heat. Add the batter in the appam patra and cover it for about 2 minutes. After that, flip the appam. Once the appam are cooked, remove it from the patra in the plate to cool down. It is a very simple tiffin recipe that you can give your kids in the school. Now let's move on to something to perfectly complement appam, and what better can it be than the coriander chutney. As you know, coriander is readily available in the markets and you can make it the chutney within 5 minutes. It will add an extra tanginess and spiciness, and it will perfectly accompany the appam. For making the coriander chutney, you will need coriander, garlic, green chilies, and a few other simple ingredients. I will show you how to mix everything together in the mixer to create a vibrant and sweet and sour and tangy flavorful chutney. So as you can see, I am flipping the appam here. They are sticking a bit to the pan. Now let's start with our chutney. As you can see, now I have made the appam. They did stick a bit to the pan, but the end result was good. For coriander chutney, you will need 1 cup of coriander that is washed 2-3 times with fresh water, and then we have removed all the dust. Now we will add green chilies, ginger, 4-5 cloves of it. Ginger and garlic. Salt we'll add, and after that we'll add lemon juice. You can add approx half a lemon juice to it. We'll also add a little bit of sugar to give it the sweetness, and some water. I am so excited to share these recipes with you on a daily basis, and I can't wait for you to try them out in your own kitchen for your kids for tiffin or for as evening snacks. As this is my first video, I'll definitely improve with the coming ones. So please show your support to my YouTube channel, that is absolute delight. For more such quick recipes, travel related content, and support me in my new endeavors. The appam and the coriander chutney did turn out to be a very much favorite with my kid. He just loved it and he asks for it on every alternate day for his school. As it can be made under 10 to 15 minutes, it is a very good option when you are out of recipes for kids. Thank you for watching my channel and do subscribe to Absolute Delight for more such content. Thank you. मला तर नाही दाखवते ना.
तू असं करत होती की दिसून गेलं थोडं.
ठीक आहे.
थोडं दिसलं जास्त नाही.
दाखवतं हे चटणीमध्ये आत. चटणीच्या आत दाखव. दाखवलं? दाखवते. दाण्याचं कूट टाकणार आहे. दाखव दाण्याचं कूट.
जे तू टाकशील तर जे इंग्रेडियंट्स तू टाकशील मिक्सरने तर थांबत जा.